there, fitness enthusiasts! Are you ready to turn your living room into a dance floor and shake off all that stress? Welcome to a super fun way to shake off the stress. Introducing the 10-minute party workout. This isn't just any workout, it's a celebration of movement, joy, and letting loose. I know life can get pretty hectic with deadlines, responsibilities, and the constant hustle and bustle. But guess what? You can dance your stress away, and it only takes 10 minutes. Yes, just 10 minutes to transform your mood and energy levels. Now let's set the scene. Imagine your living room turning into a vibrant dance floor. Picture this. You, your favorite dance playlist, and a living room dance floor just waiting for you to unleash your inner groove master. The lights are dimmed, the music is pumping, and it's just you and the beat. Ready? Let's dive right in. Get on your feet, and let's start moving. We're starting with a quick warm-up. This is essential to get your body ready and prevent any injuries. Just bounce a little, shake those arms, and feel the energy building up. Let your body loosen up and get into the groove. Remember, it's all about having fun, so don't worry about looking silly. No one's watching. All right, here we go. Let's make this a party. First, we'll jump into some side steps. Left, right, left, right. Keep it smooth and rhythmic. Keep it light and bouncy. Feel the floor beneath your feet and let the music guide your steps. Feel the rhythm. Let it guide you. The music is your best friend right now. Next, we're going to add some flair. Don't be afraid to express yourself. Throw in a twirl every now and then. Spin around and let the world blur for a moment. Who doesn't love a little spin to shake things up? It's like a mini celebration with every turn. Trust me, it's an instant mood booster. You'll feel the joy bubbling up inside you. Okay, now let's ramp it up. High knees, everyone. This will get your heart pumping. Pump those arms as you lift those knees. Feel the power in your legs and the strength in your arms. Feel that heart rate rising? That's your body working hard and your stress melting away. That's the stress melting away. Halfway there. Keep pushing, you're doing great. Time to switch it up with some hip circles. This move is great for loosening up your hips and adding some fun to the routine. 2 to the right and 2 to the left. Feel the fluidity in your movements. You're basically a dance floor superstar now. Own it! Let's keep the energy going with some classic jumping jacks. These are a great full body workout. Remember, the goal is to keep moving, keep smiling. Your smile is the best indicator of a good workout. Now let's get groovy with some freestyle. This is your time to shine and show off your unique moves. Dance like nobody's watching because they aren't. This is your moment to be free. Let loose, shake it all out, and we're winding down. Feel the release of all that pent-up energy. Take it slow, breathe deeply. Sidestep, sidestep. Let your heart rate come down gradually. Feel that calm washing over you. That's the magic of movement. Congratulations, you did it. You've completed the 10-minute party workout. In just 10 minutes, you've danced your stress away and gotten a fantastic workout. Celebrate this moment. Remember, you can always come back to this anytime you need a quick pick-me-up. This workout is here for you whenever you need it. Before you go, take a moment to stretch it out. Stretching helps your muscles recover and keeps you flexible. Reach up high, then sink into a gentle forward fold. Feel the stretch along your back and legs. Give those muscles some love. They've worked hard and deserve a good stretch. Thanks for joining me today. It's been a blast dancing with you. Remember to stay active, keep dancing, and most importantly, have fun. Life is too short not to dance. Until next time, keep moving and keep smiling. Bye for now, take care and keep that positive energy flowing.